gonna make who build better. But we're just gonna do something a little bit this and that and this and that.
We're going to make like a... Hey yo!
You use this block. Use this block. Oh.
Just like,
Oh, use this block and you're gonna help me. What are you doing there? Please, not here. No, you're not doing using dirt. Oh my god. Can you at least please use grass? Please, 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 please. Can you at least use grass?
it can grow!
No, just it looks ugly like you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you just please help me? I'm
Okay.
tired. Okay.
This is dirt. You cannot touch this.
You know you know. Remove all
Open the chest.
check. You know what? I know what.
What is the real chest?
Can you see those threads? I know you.
It's a real
Well,
red
thank
chest.
you.
And it's done.
Can you do the paper thing?
Can you please write it down with the book?
Oh, I will. Okay.
Okay, I'll get the book
This one, I'm alright. Okay.
by Joy Dayan pagtapos na.
Okay, I'm alright. All the things.
Time set.
I'm done. Wait.
Can you please? By Joy. By Joy.
Wait.
By Joy. Are you done yet? You are blinking right now. Please give it to me. Long press. Come on, bro.
Okay.
Down.
Done. What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Okay, Fire's house.
Oh my god. I'm
Fan
gonna
book.
kill all of them.
Favorite fruit. Down by Joy.
A lot of things here. Let's go higher. I didn't even think about it.
Let's go to decorate this. Wait, can I decorate this?
How much you do it? She's so cute. Wait, you really love that thing, huh? That color, that blocks. Can we try it? Okay, do it. I wanna leave because I'm only that calling. Please be faster a little bit. Maybe Grandpa needs the phone and he is calling me right now. Please be faster. Oh,
What the?
wow, you're really good at it, huh? Is it done? We have house, forest, book, scary thing, pen, favorite, something purple, something green.
Pan mag-spell our food, ourselves.
Okay.
Also.
Okay, we're done here. How do you try it? Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do it. Wait, what do I get? Let's see what I get. A house! We're putting it back here.
Yeah, here's your book.
Okay, now we are
There's your book.
done. And see you tomorrow, guys. Okay, bye bye.
Bye, guys.